Hello and welcome to another edition of Quarantine Kitchen. Today's recipe is Deep Dish Chicken Quesadilla. We'll start out today by slicing 4 ounces of shredded cheddar and 4 ounces of Monterey Jack. We're going to put 2 ounces of each into 2 separate bowls. You'll need 1 yellow, 1 red, and 1 green pepper, and 1 large tomato. Slice the peppers into thin strips. And then cut those strips in half. Dice 1 large tomato. And slice 1 red onion. You'll notice Echo helping out with the cooking. And we'll thinly slice 1 bunch of scallions. Ours were huge, so we only used 3 of them. But if they're normal size scallions, you'll use 1 bunch. Chop 1 pound of boneless chicken breast into cubes. In a large mixing bowl, add your peppers, your sliced red onion, and the cubed boneless chicken breast. To that mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of paprika, cumin, salt, and cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of each. And top it off with 1/3 cup of olive oil. Now it's time to get dirty. Get your hands in there and mix it all thoroughly and make sure that all the vegetables and chicken are all coated with the mixture. Once it's thoroughly mixed and coated, put it into a 13x9 baking dish. Spread it out evenly and put it in a 400-degree oven that's been preheated for 15 minutes. While that's cooking, we're going to prepare our frying pan. We're using a square frying pan. Some people use a 12-inch cast iron. As long as it's oven safe to 375 degrees, whatever pan you have will work. You're going to coat that pan with some olive oil. We used the spray olive oil. And then take 5 tortillas and place them around the frying pan as you see. You're going to need a total of 7, but we're going to put 5 around the outside and 1 for the bottom. There's 6 so far. We'll save the 7th one to top it off when we're ready. Once you've got your tortillas in place, we're going to take half of that shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack mixture and place that on the bottom tortilla. Spread it out across the bottom. When the vegetables and chicken have cooked for 15 minutes, take it out of the oven. We use tongs. Some folks use a slotted spoon, but the key is that you don't want to transfer any juice with the chicken and vegetable mixture. So try and let it drip drain a little bit before you put it into our tortillas. Once you've got all the chicken and vegetables in the tortillas, we'll top with the tomato that we chopped earlier. Our scallions that we chopped earlier. If you like your quesadilla a little spicier, at this point here you can add 1 sliced chili pepper. Top it off with 1 tablespoon of cilantro. And finally, the rest of the shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack. Once we spread out the cheese, we're going to top it off with that 7th tortilla and fold the outer edges over. We'll use toothpicks to hold it in place. Once you've got all the edges folded up, we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we'll take it out of the oven and remove the toothpicks. Once you got the toothpicks out, cover it with a pan, cutting board, flip it over upside down to remove it from the frying pan. And there you have it. Deep Dish Chicken Quesadilla. Enjoy. Thanks for joining us today. Hope to see you next time on Quarantine Kitchen. Bye-bye.